Can something waste me, but I don't know what it is. Computer love, you got me. It's my ex, it's my sex. Let me give up and see what you give. Crying faces all over the street, in a picture of a lie. Trying to tell myself this and nothing to LOL. I gotta be serious, cause usually she calls, but this time I ain't the we just on my detail. She said she want me back and she don't care what she gotta do to me. She couldn't say it in person. She put it all in words and I don't know what to say. Me. I don't know why she keeps stressing me. She had plenty of time to get it. Out of the mode, getting paid, I'm not with it. She's been hitting me for days. Keep comments on my face. Tell me what was I to do? If I did what you did, I'd be fighting with you too. Then you crying faces. Can you please forgive me? And let's put all this behind.